Long time ago, in a small, snowy town, there lived a shop owner named Oliver. Oliver sold everyday items, nothing too special, but every year as Christmas approached, something magical happened. People decorated their homes with lights, wreaths, and ribbons. The whole town seemed to glow. Oliver loved watching families smiling while decorating. One snowy evening, he thought, what if I make decoration that feels like Christmas memories? So he began crafting small wooden ornaments, tiny houses, shining stars, little reindeer. He didn't have much money, and at first nobody noticed. But one day a mother and her little daughter came into his shop. The girl saw one of Honor's ornament and whispered, "It feels warm." That was all it took. One person told another. The ornaments spread from one home in the town to the next town, then across the region. Every piece had a story carved into it. Not just decoration, but emotion, and that was secret. Christmas is not about buying things, it's about remembering moments, feelings, people we love, and Oliver's business grew. Not because of profit, but because he understood the heart of Christmas. Today, the Christmas decoration industry is worth billions, but the successful ones, they are not just selling ornaments, they are selling memories, nostalgia, warmth, and belonging. So, when we decorate our homes each year, we are not just making them beautiful, we are celebrating the story of how something small, something handmade, something full of love, can grow into something that touches the whole world. Hope you enjoying this video. More lesson about it, you can follow our channel. In this video we have shown you some amazing and beautiful ideas, beautiful designs of X-Mix decorations. So I have to tell you one other thing about Christmas. There is a small town you won't find on most maps, a quiet place where winters are long and snow falls gently like powdered sugar. The town is called Everpine. Everpine used to be famous. Every Christmas it would be shine brighter than any city. Families travel from far away just to walk its street, drink warm cocoa and see the decorations, not plastic decorations, not factory made, but handmade ones, made with care, patience, and stories. There was a workshop in the center of the town, a place where the air smelled of pine wood and cinnamon. The workshop belonged to Mr. Clara Wineford, an artist with gentle hands and a heart full of Christmas. Clara believed something simple. We don't decorate homes for others to see. We, we decorate them so we remember who we are. And for years, her shops flourished. People wanted decoration that meant something. But time changed. Big stories came. Cheap, bright, fast decoration took over. Why wait weeks for a handmade ornaments when you could buy a box of 20 in 5 minutes? Visitors stopped coming, shops closed, windows dimmed, Everpine began to fade. But one year something unexpected happened. A young boy named Thoy, whose parents had recently moved to the town, wandered into Clara's old workshop. He asked, "Why doesn't the town shine anymore?" Clara smiled sadly. People forget why we celebrate." Thoy looked around the dusty workshop, saw boxes filled with old wooden stars, unfinished figurines, small bells that never rang. And he said something simple, "Then let's remind them." So Clara showed Toy how to carve wood, how to paint tiny details, how to attach ribbon with steady bands. They worked through cold evening. Their breathe like could in the warm limelight. One night they hung just one handmade lantern in the town square, a small warm glow in the cold darkness. Someone saw it, then another and another. Families began to gather. Then neighbors came. They didn't come to buy, they come to make. People carved together, painted together, sang old like Christmas songs as they worked. And slowly the town lit up again. Not with perfect things, but with lights that means something. And travel returned, not because Everpine was impressive, but because Everpine felt alive. The Christmas decoration business did not grow from money, it grew from meaning. From people wanting to feel warm, connected, remembered. Christmas is not light, no on houses. It is light in hearts.